From a failure to a promise, with increased possibilities for more, is the Padmore Primary School nestled in the hills of West St. Andrew. The school, which was once considered for closure by the Education Ministry due to its then poor performance and small population, has undergone a major transformation in recent times. It's a transformation that has the school earning major academic successes and rapidly increasing enrollment numbers. So Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid, along with a team of officials, recently visited the institution to meet with the school's leadership to address some of the major challenges the institution is facing, particularly in providing adequate space for the rising numbers and more.
We can't solve all problems overnight, but we are committed to partnership. We want a dialogue, we want to discuss all the issues and how the Ministry of Education can support the work that is occurring here. The principal and the board is very well aware that there are a number of possibilities.
Possibilities undeniably, especially when one considers the path they have trod to reach where they are today.
We had to be improvising a lot at Padmore. We had to be doubling up at Padmore. The results are is because of the hard work of the staff. Some of them are here till 8 o'clock. Sometimes I'm here till 10 o'clock in the night. We work on Saturday, we work on Sunday. So our school is not 5 days a week. It's actually 7 days a week, especially when it has to go to exam, grade 3, grade 4, and grade 6. We take this personal.
Impressed with all the school's administrators have achieved with very little, the Education Minister and his team have pledged to help keep them operational.
We have committed to improve their bathroom facilities. They have asked for a computer room, which could also be used as a library. And so those are some of the initial things we want to look at. We want to see how we can assist in paving the schoolyard, do some upgrading for their fields. So we want to do in stages. So we do short term, medium, and a long term.
Work on Padmore Primary's infrastructure is to start before the beginning of the new school year in September and will continue throughout. Meanwhile, funds have already been rolling in for this initiative.
So far, we have a $3.5 million commitment. As I've said to principal, there are other private sector interests who are ready to partner, including a group out of Atlanta that Mrs. Hale will be hearing from shortly. And so I want to say to Padmore, help is on the way.
Among those who've committed to help is Member of Parliament for the area, Juliet Cuthbert Flynn, who will be providing transportation support for the school students.
Mrs. Hale, she said on numerous occasions to me that a lot of the students are not necessarily from this area, but they want to come to this school because it's very attractive. And so they have acquired a bus. They have one bus. And I've been speaking with her and told her that if any assistance that I can, as a member of parliament, that I will definitely make sure that she gets that assistance for the students to be able to, so that they can actually come to get to school.
Gratefulness aptly describes Principal Hale's sentiments on the possibilities which now abound for Padmore's future.
I've been seeking the attention for Padmore Primary because we are now one of the top schools in Jamaica. I'm so elated, and it is really historic, and I thank the Ministry of Education. Our children's achievement is a personal goal for us, right? The staff of Padmore, and the earmarked improvements that the minister spoke about. What it is a step in the right direction. Padmore is no longer a failing school. What did I say, students? Padmore